Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the recently asked follow-up questions, to be precise, on 8th of April and 7th of April in our country. I would like to give simple answers so you can get the idea and you can frame your own answers to get higher bands. So the first question is, how has technology changed the way we build relationships? So we can say in the past we mostly made friends with neighbors, but now we can connect with anyone all over the world. While I believe this is a good thing, but I feel most of the people are lonely nowadays. Second question is it necessary to have laws to distinguish between human made art and AI generated art? Yes, it is very important to have laws because if there are no laws, the real art will lose its importance and value. People will not pay the real artist and they will become jobless and their career will be at stakes. And moreover, if there is no law to distinguish human art, the hard work and patience required to generate that original idea will also lose its importance. So I believe laws should be there. And the next question is, do you think smartphones have made people more or less polite? Honestly, I think people have become a bit less polite. Most people stare at the screens during dinner instead of talking to the person sitting in front of them, and which can be considered as rude in my opinion. Will remote work working from home remain the standard for the next decade? I think it will stay as a hybrid model. People enjoy the flexibility of working from home, but businesses still need offices for team meetings and building a company culture. How does society definition of success differ from parents' generation? Our parents mostly value job security and owning a home. I believe today young generation sees success as having the freedom to travel, a good work-life balance, or even running a successful social media page. Earlier, this was not the case. What is driving the increase in people moving to intelligent or smart cities? It's mostly about convenience. Smart cities offer better facilities, for instance, like public transport, faster internet, more job opportunities, which makes life easier for young professionals. So that is why they prefer to move to smart cities. Whose responsibility is to protect the environment, the government or the individual? It's a team effort. The government must pass strict laws against pollution, but individual needs to make small changes like reducing their own plastic waste, and then only those laws can be implemented and they can work efficiently. The next question is, should schools focus more on practical skills or academic knowledge? I believe there should be a balance. While math and science are important, students also need practical skills like communication skills, financial management, coding to survive in this modern world. Next is, can technology ever completely replace traditional classrooms? I don't think so. This will happen. Classroom is not just for learning facts, it's where children learn how to socialize and work in team. Computer screen, we can only learn things, but it can't teach us human interaction and how to form relationships with others, which are very important in today's world. And the last question for today is, do you think people are more careless with their belongings today compared to the past? Yes, people are. The main reason is now items are cheaper and their value is not also that good. Earlier, people don't take care much because things were built to last. Now, the value and the importance of thing is deteriorating. So these are some generic ideas, and if you implement this, it will give you higher bands and you will not feel nervous while speaking. Thank you so much for watching.